time for another video. Today, as you can see, we have some dolly goodness from Walmart. So, y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take this bag, move it out of the way, and then just pick from it at random and show you the dolly goodness I got. This video is gonna be kind of a haul/opening video. If y'all saw my shorts, you saw that I got all those Rainbow High and Shadow High shoes and handbags for only $1 in my shorts. So I've compiled them all together and we're just gonna get on into what I got and open them up and see what the surprises are. They're all surprise capsules, so I don't know what I got in each box and we're gonna find out together, so yay! First, I got 2 red ones. I tried to get one of each if they had them. So I got a handbag and a shoe in red. Then I got a handbag and a shoe in the multicolored boxes. Now these are not the same color. This one is more of the greeny, and then this is more of the yellow, but this is shoes and this is a handbag. Then I got the orangey shoe and handbag. Then I got the handbag and shoes in the light blue-ish color. Really pretty. And last but certainly not least, Pinky Ha, I got the bright pink shoe and handbag one, so yay! So these are all the ones I got, and I got my trusty scissors here to cut them open and make it easier for us, so we're just gonna get on into opening these cute shoes and handbags. I figured I'd go for the same colorway first, I'll do the handbag and the shoes in the same colorway is what I mean. So I'm gonna pick this one first, this bluish colored one, and I got my scissors here. And I'm just gonna cut this to make it easier, because then you can just pull it. That's how I do it anyway. I just pull it and get rid of the plastic. And then I just usually pull back on the little tabby there and pop it open. And I don't wanna see the side, because the side will tell you what you got. Just see. Brrr, what did we get? Ah, cute. The little iridescent backpack. Adorable. And it was only $1. I love it. And then, of course, you get the little baggie and all that cute stuff. And I like to keep the paper. I know, I'm a weirdo, but I like keeping the paper because it's nice. So, yay! Got the blue backpack. Now we're going to do this one, the blue shoes, and see what we get. I just peel it off like that, and then I peel this little dealio off at the bottom too. And then usually, sometimes you can pop it, sometimes you gotta pick at it. Good thing I have some nails. A lot of them broke doing all the projects I've been doing, y'all. There we go. All right, let's see. I don't wanna know what I got, so I'm gonna try and not look. Rainbowy iridescent box. Ooh, fancy. This is fancy. What did I get? Hopefully I can pop it. Ooh, oh, I got the boots. The boots. I don't think I have these. This is awesome. I love the fabric boots. Look at these, y'all. That must have been why the paper was so fancy. Are these the same color? Maybe this isn't. I don't know. I thought they were the same color. But look, the fabric boots. Yay! And for only $1. And I forgot to show that you get the little bag. I'm sure most people have seen these already, but I just thought I would show it to you. All right, now I'm gonna do this orangey one next. I can get the scissor in there, easy. Slice this off. Pull this off. And then it already popped, so I don't have to mess with that. I got the orange here. Let's see what we get. It's already popped. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, look at this. Oh, it's bent. Oh, dang it. The plastic part is really bent, but this is pretty cool. I like the little pearl handle and the little tassel thing, and the little R there is super cute, but this is way bent, y'all. Look at how bent this is. I'm gonna definitely have to warm it up and reshape it gently. Hopefully it doesn't break. It's already kind of reshaping with me doing that with my fingers, but I'm not complaining. It was only $1. I'm just letting y'all know that's the condition I got it in, kind of bent. And then here is the little sherbet colored bag. I love this sherbety color. It's so pretty. So yay for that. Now we're gonna open the orangey shoes. All this gook off. Some of them have that paper thing on the bottom and some of them don't. Sometimes you can go like that and pop it, but sometimes it won't let you, so don't ask me. Here we go. Let's see what shoesies we get. Trying not to look. Brrr, drum roll. Feels small. Let's see. What do we get? What do we get? Okay, I've gotten these before, I know for sure, because I was curious about this here on the shoe, and I think it's supposed to be like circa 2020, like that's when these started or something. These are not my favorite, and they're bent, but for only $1, I am not complaining. These I could totally customize and make them a different color, snazz them up with some bows or flowers or something cute. So these I'm not disappointed in, especially since I only paid $1, even though I already have them and they're not my favorite. Like I said, I can customize them, so maybe that's a video we'll do. That'll be fun. All right, onto this neon greeny kind of one. This is a handbag one. I still can't get over that these were only $1, y'all. All right, what did we get? What did we get? Feels very flat, y'all. Let's see. What is this? Oh, how cute! Oh, this one's cute, and I don't have this one. Does it open? Oh, it does! Has the little Velcro. How adorbs. I actually really like this one. Yay! All right, onto this yellow one that is shoes. We're gonna see what we got inside of this one. Let's see. See, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, finally got it. Let's see what yellow shoesies we're gonna get. Let's see. These feel heavy. Oh, ripped that one, but it's okay. I've saved most of them. This one kind of ripped. All right, drum roll, what are we getting? Oh, I've never seen these before. I've seen these on the collector's guide, but not in real life. These are adorbs. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I love all the little decals. How cute are these? These are for Sunny, obviously. I know I haven't shown them all, but this is the little baggie, the little fabric bag that comes inside. Super cute. All right, let's open up this hot pinky pink one. Super excited for these, especially knowing they were only $1. I really like that last pair I got, the little Sunny shoes. Super cute. Now this one's a handbag. Hopefully I can get this to come off of here without too much trouble. There we go. I like to keep the boxes because they're pretty to me. I probably won't keep them all, but who knows? All right, here's the pretty little baggie. So cute. Love the pink, pinky pink. All right, let's see if I can get that. Yay! Drum roll, pinky pink, pinkness. Ooh, yay! I don't have this one, and I like this one. I don't love that it has little dollar signs all over it, but I love that it's pink and it's so cute. Does it open? Yes, it opens. Can't put much in there, but hey, it's for a doll anyway. What do they need in their purse, right? Look at that, the little ribbon strap with the gold. Ooh, loving me this. This is so cute. Love it. Next, we have the hot pinky pink shoes. Hopefully they're good ones. I don't even remember really what was on the guide because these were, you know, debuted so long ago and they were so expensive I didn't get very many. I got some, don't get me wrong. They put them on sale for like $4 something and I got some. So drum roll, pinky pink. There's the little shoe bag in there. Pinky pink drum roll. Brrr, ha, did it right. Let's see. Okay, these are the strappy ones. I think I already have these. I'm not for positive, but I think I do. I think I did get these way long time ago when they first came out. But since I love pink, can't go wrong with these. These are adorable. Don't know how I feel about the lace-ups because I've heard that people had trouble getting them to lace up good and stay up good, but we shall see. I love them anyway because they're pinky pink. Now we're gonna check out what I got in this rainbow box here. This one is a handbag. Peel that off. Oh, this gook at the back. And this kind of already popped. Yay! I didn't have to mess with it really. Oh, I love this paper. I forgot all about this paper. I think I got one of these before, and then this one comes with a white bag. Would have been pretty if it was rainbow though, like rainbow colored. Let's see if I can get this open without hurting the little sticker. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh, this one's gonna give me trouble like the other one did on the Sunny shoes. It's gonna rip it. Dang it! Didn't want it to rip it. Oh, yay! I had been wanting this one. This was one of my favorites. This is not a designer bag. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love the little dangler that's gold and not just, you know, faux gold painted. Don't love that these are bent. but I'm sure, like I said, I can get these warm, like that other little bag over there in the orange that's kind of bent, and reshape them. I'm sure that it will be fine. Love, love, love. Look at the little bucket bag. So cute with the little rainbow on it. Oh, this is adorable. I really did want this one, and I'm super glad I got it. All right, we're gonna see what I get in this rainbow shoe box. This is so fun. Like, especially since they were only $1. That's what makes it super fun. Let's see, what did I get? What did I get? There's the little white bag again. And then hopefully this one won't rip. I like this paper. I think the paper is pretty. Oh, that one I got. Drum roll. Oh, yay! I think I have these though. Honestly, I think I've gotten these before, but I love the fabric boots. These are my favorite. I wanted all the fabric boots, so having doubles of these, not mad at that at all. So pretty. Love, love, love these. These are so cute. I love the like lettering and that they're fabricy. So pretty. All right, gonna check out the handbag in this red box. If I can get it open. There we go. Take that off in there. Seems to already be popped. There's the little red bag, fabric bag. Let's see what handbag we got. It's awful tiny. I like the sparkle paper, but some of the other paper I like better, like that tealy paper is really pretty. What do we got here? Ah, it's the fanny pack. This is my least favorite because I've gotten several of these in the packages. You know, at the store displays have these in it, so I've gotten several of these. So, and fanny packs aren't my favorite, but maybe I'll, use it as a giveaway or do something with it. I don't know. All right, last one, red shoes. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Ugh, doesn't want to pop, so try the fingernail trick. There we go. Don't want to know what I got, so I try not to look at the side because you can see on the side. There's the little red bag. And drum roll for the last shoes. Brrr, what are we gonna get? Ooh, these are some spiky ones. I think I have these already. I am not for positive. I don't remember, to be honest, but these are cute enough. There's a little paint there and there on the front that aren't great, but I could fix that, no problem. These are cute. Not my favorite, but I do like them. I like the little safety pin detail there. That is adorable. So yay, 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 yay for all the dollar clearance shoes and handbags. And for maybe anybody on the off chance that you haven't seen, you also get this little certificate of authenticity, and you get like a little holder for your receipt and everything, which is really, really cute inside the top of the box. And then here is the guide that shows you all the stuff you get. I think that's Amaya on the front there. Here is all the shoes that you can get. Just in case you didn't know, I believe I have most of the boots. I don't think I have the white ones. Pretty sure I have these colored ones, these rainbow colored ones. I know I have these now. Pretty sure I have these and these. I don't think I have the light pink ones. I have these shoes for sure, these shoes for sure, these shoes for sure, these for sure, these for sure. I know I have the teddy bear ones and some that I got today. I don't see. No, those are there. Okay, that's why I didn't know, because you can't see the little decals, the little sunny ones there. And then here on the back are all the purses. The only other purse that I really, really wanted was the other bucket bag in the gray, and this one. This one was my absolute favorite. I love this one. And the one sunny bag there. Super duper cute. I like the pinky pink ones, the little blush pink ones, but they're not my favorite because I don't care for the like shape, but there they all are in case you want to see them. Well, we did it. We made it all through this like haul and deboxing of all these awesome Rainbow High shoes and handbags that were on clearance. So if you made it to this point in the video with me, I have to say huge hugs and Dolly loved all you wonderful watchers and subscribers out there. Thank you for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great Dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, say great big huge lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful lovely subscribers and watchers out there. I can never say enough just how much it means to me that you come along the journey, hit that button and say, yes, we love your dolly silliness and craziness, and we love seeing what you get up to. So I have to say, in every way, thank you so much for everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here, which grows by the day because of y'all, wonderful lovelies out there that subscribe to my dolly silliness, dolly craziness, and dolly loveliness that I love to share with y'all, mostly dolly goodness. I have done my best to create a fun, safe, happy dolly space where we all can come together and share. So if you want to become part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have here and see all the dolly goodness that I share, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say, and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this subscriber requested haul and opening video of my clearance Rainbow High shoes and handbags. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy Dolly. Happy Dolly Day. And bye, y'all.